board is
60 wide.
60 wide all the way across.
And the
then-
legs are 15 inches tall.
Yeah, these are 15 inches, the long ones. And the short legs were 11 and a half. And so you cut all those. And then this was 30.
53.
Was it 53? Okay,
Yeah.
yes, 53 for that board. And basically staggering. And you got yourself a bench. And you can basically make it as thick as you want, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or 9. Very cool. It looks good. Alright, we'll show you after we nail it together. It's our finished product here. Looks pretty good. Staggered it on the sides. Pretty good. Not too bad for two boys from South Carolina. Here's Randy standing on it and ain't going nowhere.
296 pounds.